We gotta try to get down there to Grandma.
That's what I just said. Let's walk. Come on, Isabella.
Come on, Isabella. See it.
Oh shit, there you go. Oh my god. I was just listening to call you.
Hi. Kevin, can you tell Harvey?
Can you shout Annabelle?
Can you tell Harvey let her sit like this? My knees are starting.
And my arm's starting to give out on her.
Be careful on my child. Oh, I'm not like it. I got you.
Isabel, look.
See, we see, baby. Don't jump. You'll fall and get hurt.
Bro, you gotta get over.
Those are going right on off into the lake.
You might even be recording this for you.
I'm recording walking.
And you're soaking wet. You can't be jumping around, you're gonna make Mama drop you.
There they go again.
Look. I'm pretty untied. She's trying to in my arms. I see. You don't let me and you both fall and hit the ground.
Ooh wee. Hey guys, I was finally getting closer. We're getting it. Chill.
I was going to go back by the bathroom. Go around.
She's gonna go by the bathrooms, go around.
All right, we're coming down by the bathroom.
I got a child jumping in my arm.
Hey, Isabella, you see them? They're doing a twist as they go up.
I'm only scared they're gonna come down out of the sky on you.
They ain't. You ain't got to worry about that.
That's why I like off in the distance, not get right here at them.
You ain't got to worry. It's in the water. They got a ramp. They go out in the water and light them.
I'm already shaking.
Okay.
Mama, I'm shaking.
Here.
I'm staying close, Brent. I'm starting to shake all over again.
It's okay. My problem's gonna be the grand finale. So y'all gonna stick close on me.
Hey, don't leave the wagon.
You hear me?
Yeah, well, I'm already shaking. As we get closer, the closer we get, the more I shake.
I'll start freaking out. You gotta be able to breathe.
I think it might have been better if I wasn't hit young. You know, Britt? I think it might have been better if I wasn't hit young. I may actually not be scared of them if I wasn't hit young.
No, they're not going. Hold on, wait.
Hold on, there's shit more.
Blue truck. I'm looking for a blue truck.
Blue truck. Hey, right here.
Joe,
No.
Brady said they're across from a blue truck.
Yeah, the salsa is over yonder.
Brady too? Well, I know that.
Well, they're trying to tell us two different directions. We're going one.
My mom said they were at the phone crate.
Brandy said they're at the salsa.
Look behind Mama. Go like, just go like, just go like, there you go.
They're telling us 2 different locations. We're going one.